How to install Indeed on Android. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install this app. First of all, open Play Store. Now, here on the right bottom, you'll be able to see this search icon. Simply tap on the search icon. Now, on the top at the search bar, simply search for Indeed. So it will pop up in the top. Simply tap on it. Make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by seeing the company's name, Indeed Jobs. Now simply tap on install. So what is this application? Basically, this is an application where you can get different job offers. So here you'll be able to even upload your resume and get different job offers. So it is mainly used in US and other foreign countries, and here it is very easy to get jobs. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.